English grammar lessons. The future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to talk about actions or events that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. It is formed using the auxiliary verb will, or shall, for the first person singular and plural, and the base form of the main verb, with the addition of ing at the end. The structure of the future continuous tense is as follows. Positive, subject, plus will, shall, plus be, plus verb, base form, plus ing, plus object, complement. Examples. I will be studying at the library tomorrow. She will be preparing dinner when we arrive. They will be playing basketball at 4 o'clock. Negative, subject, plus will, shall, plus not, plus be, plus verb, base form, plus ing, plus object, complement. Examples. He will not be attending the meeting later. We will not be traveling to Europe this summer. The dog will not be barking during the movie. Question. Will, shall, plus subject, plus be, plus verb, base form, plus ing, plus object, complement. Examples. Will you be coming to the party tonight? Will they be working on the project tomorrow? Shall we be waiting for your call? The future continuous tense is used to emphasize the ongoing nature of an action or event in the future. It often implies that the action will be in progress for a limited duration, or that it is part of a planned arrangement or schedule. Here are some key points to remember. Use will be, or shall be, as the helping verb with the base form of the main verb and ing to form the future continuous tense. Use it to describe actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Use it to talk about ongoing actions or events in the future. It is often used with time expressions such as tomorrow, next week, at 3 o'clock, etc. Now, you can practice using the future continuous tense in various contexts to become more familiar with its usage. Happy learning!